In the heart of Suffolk, a story of hope, determination, and community unfolds. Welcome to Brantham, where the power of running brings people together for a cause that goes beyond the finish line. Meet the heroes of the Brantham Leisure Centre Running Club, or BLC on the Run, a group united not just by their passion for running, but by their unwavering support for one of their own. Steve Marsland, a father of two and a beloved member of the Brantham community, faces the toughest race of his life against incurable bowel cancer. But he's not running alone. I am truly humbled at the amount of effort, time, and love put in by all involved. The amount raised is staggering and will help research not only into cancer but the more rare mutations. For 24 hours, 76 runners and volunteers took to the streets, parks, and trails of Brantham, clocking nearly 750 miles. Among them, heroes of all ages, including one who tackled an ultra-marathon. Emma Marsland, Steve's wife and a pillar of strength for their 7-year-old twins, Austin and Riley, shared how the event brought hope and happiness to their family. It was a privilege for our sons and me to be part of it. Happy memories were made seeing everyone come together to support our family and many others living with cancer. The spirit of giving and joy was palpable as 55 children, embodying the future of compassion and resilience, ran 78 miles in a rainbow lap-a-thon, organized by the ever-inspiring Lauren White. The commitment of all the organizers, runners, volunteers, and supporters has been breathtaking. It really has shown the power of people and communities to come together and make a difference. Over £6,000 raised for bowel cancer research, a community brought closer, and a family overwhelmed with gratitude. This is the story of Brantham's Miles for Marsland, a reminder that together we can make strides against cancer, one step at a time. Join us in supporting this incredible cause. Together, we can help fund crucial research and support families like the Marslands, because in the race against cancer, every step counts.